Coriander chutney is an aromatic and easy to prepare dish made with fresh coriander leaves and coconuts. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. To a mixer jar, add in a cup of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, and half an onion finely chopped. You can instead add 4 to 5 shallots as well. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of split roasted chickpeas, also called pottu kadalai, and quarter teaspoon of tamarind paste. Now season this with salt. To this, add in about a quarter cup of water and grind this to a fine paste. Now I'll transfer this to a separate bowl and prepare the tempering. In a tempering pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal and half dry red chilli. Once the mustard seeds crackle, pour the tempering over the chutney. Serve this with idli, dosa or vadai. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.